and dilly-dallying. Planning on food for sure. Yikes, these grippy wheels. Ugh. Oh. Okay, so I'm like trying to catch up with my breath. As you saw, I slammed. It was a little thud. And then I went down there and then pumped back and forth a whole bunch of times and tired myself out instead of sitting down and assessing my body. So yeah, I think growing up, like, I was taught to be like a tough kid, a tough boy, tough man, whatever, toxic masculinity, whatever you want to call it. I called it faking it. But yeah, I would slam, whether it's like in football or skating or with my friends, and just like kind of get back up and keep going because I didn't want to show like weakness. But now I'm like, if I do that now, I feel foolish. So I want to do what's right for my body. And yeah, because skating fucking hurts and I want to keep doing it. So yeah, I gotta take breaks. Well, thank you so much for watching that video. Yeah, I realized just how much fun it is to make those videos and to like sit down and edit them and look at my skating and hear the silly things I say. And yeah, it's a nice little, like, I don't know, I get to reflect on life, and it feels good, and it feels good to share it with people. So if you like it, you'll know. And if there's any homies watching this, tell me your favorite trick you've done in 2022 or 2023 so far. So, alrighty.